Right, what's yours called, Buck? Whatever it is, it's chicken something, isn't it? Chicken something, which is lovely. Tamia, what's yours called?
Was very good. I love
Lamb chop.
Lamb chop.
the lap chop. Yeah.
Yum yum yum.
Huh?
Yum yum yum.
Yum yum.
Cool. And mine was fish something or other, which is even more yum yum yum.
No, I think I should do that for you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right. Sorry about the coffee, but the food is absolutely lovely. The company could be improved.
You like that place?
Pardon?
You like that place?
Outside?
Yeah,
Yes.
outside.
Awesome.
How about the food?
The food's okay. No, the food is lovely. The person holding the other side of the phone is lovely. Turn around. No, you Wally. The phone so you know what I'm on about. That's the one. See it? Very beautiful. My good friend Mark, who, without him being here, I won't be here tonight. So thank you very much. Right, gonna go now.